Hi friends, I'm Nageshwar. Welcome to my channel ITbird143. You are watching Facebook tutorials. In this video, I will show you how to choose who can see the previous post on our timeline in Facebook. Normally, when we share something on our Facebook timeline, we can use the audience selector to choose with whom it is shared. But if you want to change who can see that post for the post already published, just to follow the steps showing in this video tutorial. To choose new audience for one of our past posts in timeline, scroll down to the post we want to edit. Click on audience selector showing next to date or time on the post. From the option, select a suitable option to enable who can see this post. Instead of this, if you want to change for all of our past posts at our timeline, click on down arrow showing next to notifications in the top right of Facebook. From the drop down option, select settings and privacy, and in the pop-up options, choose settings. In the left column, click on privacy, and in right panel, come to your activity section. Click on limit past posts showing next to limit the audience for posts you have shared with friends of friends or public, and click on limit past posts. You are about to limit all past posts on your timeline. The only way to undo this will be to change the audience of each post one at a time. The audience for the selected content has been changed. By doing this, it will change all our past posts visible to more people than just our friends, to be visible only to our friends. But one thing, remember that limiting the audience for our previous posts cannot be reversed in one click. Again, if we want to change the audience of our posts back to the normal, we need to change the audience of each individual post. One more thing, that if we shared a previous post with a custom audience, for example, friends except acquaintances or close friends, limit past posts won't change the audience for those past posts, and limit past posts only controls the audience for posts we have shared. If we have been tagged in someone else's post, they control the audience for their posts. Like this, we can choose who can see the previous posts on our timeline in Facebook. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and share this video with your friends. ITbird143 to watch more latest uploaded videos. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.